In this video, I'm going to show you how to merge two vendors in QuickBooks Desktop. Now, the first thing you have to do, you want to go to the vendors list up top. So click on vendor and then go to vendor center. And then in here, you'll be able to click where it says active vendors and click on show full list only. Now, this gives you a neat overview of your vendors over here. And now what you want to do is select which vendor you want to merge into a different one. So I've actually created one over here, which is called sample vendor. So let me actually find it. There we go. It's over here. And now I want to merge this into a different one, for example, into state fund over here, okay? So what you want to do is right click on the vendor that you want to merge into another one, and you want to remember the name of the one you want to merge, and this is the one you're going to keep. So the sample vendor is going to get merged into state fund over here, and you want to remember this name. So I'm going to right click on this one, which is going to get removed and merged into state fund. So I'm going to click right click, and I'm going to do edit vendor. And then what you want to do here under vendor name, you simply want to give the other name. So state fund was our case, and whenever you do this, you can simply click on OK over here, and it's gonna tell you this name is already used. Would you like to merge them? So simply click on yes, and that way you can merge two vendors. So I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.